气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们加入客家风情，一起发现客家之美。
台湾東部有一條幸福台九線，喺9號公路經過嘅花蓮老台東地區，做得前度當到客人嘅客種客室。
Explore Hakka villages and enjoy delicious food along Happy Route 9 in Hualien and Taidong. In Fengling and Yuli townships, known for their Hakka communities, try the 3 treasures: crispy stinky tofu, refreshing lemon juice, and tender pork knuckles. Fengling is also internationally recognized as a city-slow town, celebrated for its relaxed, slow-paced lifestyle. The Huadong Valley boasts beautiful rice paddies, stretching from Fuli in Hualien to Chishang and Guanshan in Taidong. Alongside the famous Chishang bento, discover a variety of rice dishes to enjoy.
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。我聽 Leo 剛剛的介紹，應該是要帶我們去花東地區了。
沒錯沒錯，跟着這個台九線啊，從花蓮一直到台東，哇，好長的一段路，
對，很長的一條路，可以邊看風景邊玩邊吃都可以，對不對？
對對對，吃很重要哈。這條路哈有經過很多客家莊，尤其是像花蓮呐，大概3個人裡頭就有一個是客家人。
哦，是哦，
他的客家比例啊是全台第4名。
哇哦，那有哪些鄉鎮是特別應該去拜訪一下？
譬如說鳳林，
鳳林、
玉里。
等一下，玉里很有名的東西叫做臭豆腐
啊！對，玉里豆腐很有名，而且它這邊豆腐啊是用這個泥火山的鹼水去做出來的，
它沒有添加任何的那種化學成分在裡面就對了。太棒了！然後除此之外，我覺得到台東也要吃那邊的米啊，不是？
對，花東地區啊米很有名，像什麼池上便當啦、月光米啦，都是在那邊哦。而且啊，你在這個稻子收割之前呢，可以看這個非常漂亮的金黃色的稻浪舞咯。
風一吹就會變成像稻浪一樣，對不對？
對，
哇，超級漂亮的。
沒錯。而且啊，你來到鳳林鎮，當然要吃鳳林三寶啦。
哦，鳳林三寶是哪三寶呢？
臭豆腐、檸檬汁，還有豬腳。
I am so hungry right now. Let's teach you some of the phrases we brought up. 我們來教幾個這個單詞咯，包括豆腐
tofu,
that's tofu, and then also known for their rice, 米。And finally, this is all part of the provincial number 9 highway, 台九線。
台九線。
And there you have it. When you have time, go visit. It's beautiful and delicious. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.